Hi guys, how are you all doing? I have this open space which I left here intentionally. However, the open space means that I am not using this space to its full potential. So what I want to do is close in this open space. And I will be doing that using this piece of cardboard. So what I was doing is measuring off because it's a bit wide. I don't want it to overshoot the sides too far. So I was measuring off the sides so I can do some cuts. So let's go ahead now and do our cuts. So yeah, I am going to be using this meat cleaver to cut the cardboard. What I'm going to do is take off just about a half an inch. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut that end. So measure a half an inch here. Okay, and then let's just draw our line. Okay. And we're gonna cut now. It is amazing that there is not much dust coming off this cardboard at all. There we go. Got it off. Okay, now let's try. am finito. I am done. I have accomplished what I set out to do, and I'm pretty pleased with my cardboard wall, with the cork surface where I can pin things up, and I've also installed my rod up here so I can hang stuff from when I'm doing the videos. Drop in the comments and let me know what you think. Also, please share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.